Welcome to the MRO Master Data Management 101 certification course. Chapter 5, Data Management and Maintenance. Effective data management doesn't end once your data is created and cleansed. Ongoing maintenance is essential to ensure that your MRO master data remains accurate and up to date. One of the key components of data maintenance is conducting regular data audits and reviews. The purpose of an audit is to help you identify and correct issues before they become significant problems. An audit might involve reviewing your MRO master data to identify any records with missing or outdated information. This process ensures that your data remains accurate and reliable over time. There are several techniques for identifying data quality issues during audits. One common technique is data profiling, which involves analyzing your data to identify patterns, anomalies, and trends. For example, data profiling might reveal that certain materials have unusually high or low inventory levels, which could indicate an issue with the data or with the underlying business processes. If you use 10 belts a year but profiling shows you have 100 in stock, that might tell you that you've been over-ordering or not properly entering data. Another important aspect of data management is managing data over its life cycle. This involves implementing clear policies for data archiving, retention, and disposal. For example, you might have a policy that requires certain types of material data to be archived after a specified period, such as 5 years, and then disposed of after 10 years. Data archiving ensures that old or inactive data is moved out of the active database, reducing clutter and improving system performance. However, archived data must still be accessible for reporting and compliance purposes, so it's important to have a well-organized archiving system in place. End-of-life data management strategies are also crucial for managing data throughout its life cycle. As materials are phased out or replaced, their corresponding data must be properly managed. This might involve deactivating the material in the system, updating its status to obsolete, or even deleting the record if it's no longer needed. Finally, continuous improvement in data quality is achieved through feedback loops. These feedback loops involve regularly collecting and acting on user feedback, audit findings, and other sources of input to improve your data management practices. For example, if users report that certain material descriptions are unclear or inconsistent, you can use this feedback to update and standardize these descriptions. Incorporating user feedback into data management is essential for maintaining high-quality data. Users who interact with MRO master data daily are often the first to notice issues or inconsistencies. By encouraging users to provide feedback and acting on it promptly, you can continuously improve the quality of your data. In summary, effective data management and maintenance require a proactive approach that includes regular audits, clear lifecycle management policies, and continuous improvement through feedback loops. By following these practices, you can ensure that your MRO master data remains accurate, consistent, and valuable to your organization.